Hello, friends. Welcome to Speak Well Institute Listening Practice. This is episode 8, and today's topic is my hobby. Introduction. Every person has some free time in life. What we do in that free time is called a hobby. A hobby is not just for passing time. It also makes us happy, relaxed, and creative. Hobbies are different for different people. Some like drawing, some like singing, some like dancing, and some like reading. Today, I will share my hobby with you and also explain why hobbies are important. What is my hobby? My hobby is playing cricket. I love cricket very much. I play cricket with my friends almost every evening. Sometimes we play in the park, sometimes in the playground, and sometimes even on the street. Cricket is not only a game for me, it is my passion. Why do I like cricket? I like cricket because it makes me active and strong. It is a team game and it teaches me teamwork. When I play with my friends, I learn discipline, cooperation, and patience. I enjoy both batting and bowling. When I bat, I try to hit 4s and 6s. When I bowl, I try to take wickets. The happiness of scoring runs or taking wickets is amazing. Benefits of hobbies. Hobbies are very important in our life. Let us see why. Hobbies reduce stress. When we are tired after studying or working, hobbies refresh our mind. Hobbies improve skills. For example, drawing improves creativity, reading improves knowledge, and sports improve fitness. Hobbies keep us busy in a positive way. Instead of wasting time on bad habits, hobbies give us something useful to do. Hobbies make life interesting. Without hobbies, life would be boring. Other people's hobbies. I also know many friends who have different hobbies. One of my friends loves painting. He makes beautiful pictures in his free time. Another friend loves gardening. He grows flowers and vegetables at home. My cousin likes cooking. She tries new recipes whenever she gets free time. This shows that hobbies are different, but every hobby gives happiness. My learning from cricket. Cricket has taught me many lessons. It has taught me to accept both winning and losing. Sometimes my team wins, sometimes we lose, but we always learn something new. Cricket has also improved my health. Running, batting, and bowling make me fit. I also feel more confident and energetic. How to choose a hobby. Choosing a hobby is simple. Just think about what makes you happy. If you like music, singing or playing an instrument can be your hobby. If you like books, reading can be your hobby. If you like nature, gardening or walking can be your hobby. A good hobby is one that makes you smile and helps you grow. Conclusion. So friends, a hobby is not just for fun. It is also for health, learning, and happiness. My hobby is cricket, and it makes my life colorful and exciting. I believe everyone should have a hobby. It gives us peace of mind and makes us better people. Thank you for listening to episode 8 of the Speak Well Institute Listening Practice. If you enjoyed this episode, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Speak Well Institute for more daily English listening practice. See you in the next episode.